If you're out in the garden and you're coming in and your shoulders are sore, neck sore, back sore, then hand reflexology will help ease that out. So taking either a little bit of massage balm or lotion. So if your right shoulder is sore, in hand reflexology, this is the right shoulder. So just using your left thumb, working out the tension. If it's more your left shoulder that's hurting, then doing this side. If you feel it more on your neck, this is the right side of the neck. So again, just applying pressure, working out tension in the right side of the neck and then left side of the neck. If you're feeling it more in your lower back region, then this is the right side of the lower back. This is the left side of the lower back. So again, just with the other hand, using your fingers to ease out the tension, and you become aware where you've overdone it by overstretching out in the garden or lifting heavy pots. So hopefully that will help ease out tension from your gardening duties.